Hello, and welcome to our virtual commencement celebration. My name is Neil Gard, and I'm a distinguished professor in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at UCLA, and I also serve as the current chair of the department. To the class of 2021, you have shown us your passion for science, your intellect, and your resilience in withstanding the most extraordinary challenges and circumstances and events over the past year. So please know how incredibly proud we are of you and all that you have accomplished. Congratulations to you, the graduating class of 2021.
Hi, everyone. My name is Patrick Herman. I'm Vice Chair for Graduate Education. And here we are again, another year past, a year like no other for sure. We're not quite back to the point where we can have an in-person putting ceremony for our graduating PhDs. But I want to congratulate all of you who are moving on this year. This just tremendous accomplishment on your part. And I offer my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes for a fantastic future. Again, in a program that I really like, actually is we're going to ask mentors for graduating PhDs to say a few things about their matriculating students. And I think that's just wonderful, and I enjoy it, and I hope you will too. So all the very best, and here we go.
Congratulations to Fady Alsarhan for receiving your departmental scholar's master's degree. It's been a true pleasure seeing you growing as a scientist and working hard on different synthetic projects pertaining to boron clusters. It's a little bit sad for me to see you go to our friendly competitor in the north, but I truly think that you're going to be doing a tremendous job there at UC Berkeley, and we're going to hear a lot of great things from you in the near future. So good luck with your PhD studies, Fady, and congratulations again.
Kirill Shamilov. Kirill is receiving a master's degree. He's our departmental scholar. Kirill's research addressed the electronic origin of hardening of ultra-hard metal borides. He led the theoretical side of the collaboration with Rick Gaynor and Sarah Tolbert. Congratulations.
I'd like to wish a huge congratulations to Dr. Sarah Anthony. Sarah is now a super Bruin, having earned 2 degrees from UCLA, both her bachelor's and now her PhD degree. During her PhD studies, Sarah figured out how to generate stereo-defined quaternary centers using highly reactive intermediates. And she also completed the total synthesis of a very complex and important molecule found in plants called strictocytin. Sarah actually holds the record for the most years spent in my lab. The lab has existed for only 14 years, and Sarah's been here for 7 of them, and that's because she did her undergraduate research here as well. So Sarah, we will miss your expertise, which is literally in everything since you've been here for 7 years, as well as your intellect and unrelenting sense of optimism. Best of luck to you as you begin your independent career as a medicinal chemist at Eli Lilly. Congratulations, Sarah.
Arkhar, congratulations for getting to the finish line. Arkhar joined our lab 5 years ago with a master's degree from the University of Calcutta, which is one of the best universities in India. He already had 2 publications under his belt, came to us full of energy, with lots of ideas, willing to devour anything thrown at him. Over time, he found his own path and developed his own original project, studying cytoskeletal rearrangements during epithelial to mesenchymal transition, or EMT, which is involved in metastasis. He also established a very fruitful collaboration with a group of Steve Dubinet at the medical school. Arkhar developed a unique imaging approach and data analysis tools to discover phenotypic intermediate in cytoskeletal scaffold rearrangements during this EMT transition. This discovery could play an important role in the search for metastasis inhibitors. Arkhar, we wish you best of luck and success in the next stage of your career. We will miss you.
Congratulations, Isaac Benavides. I know things always didn't work out, especially at the beginning, but you always just kept working through it. Now you've got some fantastic results. Congratulations again on earning your PhD. Well deserved. It sounds like you're already off to a great start on your future, and I look forward to hearing about all the great things that you'll do.
Congratulations to Nick Bernier for your outstanding PhD. It's been a true pleasure working with you, and it's been great seeing you evolve as a scientist and developing really a basic understanding of the biodistribution of boron clusters in a number of in vivo settings. Your work is really a foundation to a lot of things that we will be continuing on doing. Likewise, thank you for developing all the teaching initiatives in this department that you've been part of. And I wish you luck in your future endeavors after graduation, and congratulations again.
Congratulations to Dr. Timothy Boyd. Tim's PhD studies have involved cross-couplings of amides. Amides are common functional groups in organic chemistry that were traditionally considered to be unreactive. However, Tim has shown that one can engage these amides using inexpensive metals and ultimately form new bonds. Notably, he has developed cascade reactions as well as practical advances that collectively push the boundaries of this chemistry and make it broadly accessible to the scientific community. What will I miss the most about Tim? For one, his ability to learn new things seemingly instantly and then apply his learnings to dissect complex problems. He also has an awesome sense of humor and has grown increasingly wise over the years. So Tim, we'll miss you. Best of luck to you at Harvard for your postdoctoral studies, and again, congratulations.
Congratulations to David Boyer on the receipt of his PhD degree. David has been so productive in determining atomic structures using modern electron microscopy of proteins that form fibers involved in neurodegeneration. This particular fiber, one that David determined the structure of, is alpha-synuclein, which is involved in Parkinson's disease. David has also worked on and determined structures of fibers of tau, which is involved in Alzheimer's disease, and amylin, which is involved in diabetes type 2. And if we forget that David is a prolific scientist, co-authoring even 20 papers as a graduate student, he's also been active as a citizen at UCLA, helping people recovering from addiction and increasing the diversity of our student body. And if we forget that, David remains a talented musician and pianist. Congratulations to you, David.
Congratulations on receiving the PhD degree, Bochen. It has been a great journey working with you on the biofuel project. Your thesis work has helped elucidating electron transfer mechanisms in bacteria, and it has led to the development of an entirely new class of highly efficient microbial fuel cells. You have also been a great colleague in the group. Best wishes for your future. Congratulations again.
Reactions in crystals can be very counterintuitive, yet they can actually be very special. Well, Trevor Chang, over the last 5 years, has been looking for ways to design complex chemical reactions and make them attractive to the broad synthetic community. And he's been very successful. So Trevor is really going to help chemistry become more sustainable and greener. You have done great work, Trevor. Congratulations, and my best wishes to you in your future endeavors. Good luck.
Congratulations, Rushi. Your PhD journey is coming to an end, and while I'm happy for you to graduate, it is sad to see you go. I'm proud of you for venturing into new areas of polymer self-assembly and for using virtual reality in inorganic chemistry. I thank you for all your work and doing your group jobs well, and I'm glad to see you received a lot of recognition from UCLA for your efforts. Finally, I'll miss all your questioning and your different opinions. I wish you the best in your life and career, and I hope we stay in touch.
Congratulations to Andrew Dawson on your upcoming PhD degree. Your endless energy and enthusiasm for science has made it a pleasure to have you in the group over the last 2 years. In addition to your outstanding work on next-generation energy storage materials, you've also been an incredible mentor to a broad range of students, You've been a fantastic TA, a peer counselor, and also endlessly involved in science outreach and giving back to the community, particularly during the pandemic when students had fewer options for science education. I wish you luck in your future career and hope that you continue to use this enthusiasm to inspire others in science. Congratulations, Andrew.
Congratulations, Rachel Day, on your graduation. You have led our biology literally from the ground up, starting with an empty conference room that is now a bustling BSL-2 lab. You've not only become an excellent scientist over the past 5 years, but an outstanding mentor and teacher. We are so excited to see you take all of these skills into your independent career as an assistant professor at Drury University.
It's a great pleasure for me to congratulate Tian Dung on receiving her PhD degree. She was an excellent student who excelled in research. Her research was about the design and synthesis of multifunctional nanomaterials for biomedical applications. She developed nanoparticles that she used in conjunction with focused ultrasound to enhance the contrast in magnetic resonance imaging. Her technique resulted in a 200-fold enhancement in its spotlighted region of interest and is a major step forward in diagnostics. She's also a talented pianist and a vital group member. We will miss her.
Hi, Dr. Arundhati Deshmukh. I wanted to let you know that I am very proud of you and really excited for your future. I remember really distinctly that, coming to UCLA 4 years ago while I was interviewing and getting to meet you and Hannah and really being able to envision what my group would look like in the future. In those past 4 years, you've been incredibly productive, a super hard worker, and also just incredibly creative in your science and incredibly generous in your time in training and mentoring other people. I'm really just sort of honored to have you as my first student, and I'm extremely excited for your future. So congratulations, you deserve it, and I please keep in touch and keep telling me how you're doing. Thank you again, and good luck for your future.
Congratulations, Daniel Esterbook, on your graduation. Through your PhD, you have established the materials foundation for perfluorocarbon nanoemulsions in the laboratory. You traversed every challenge and transformed unexpected results into exciting discoveries, culminating in macromolecular crowding as a new intracellular delivery approach that will be a staple for the field. We know you will continue this excellence at Eli Lilly, pursuing biomolecule delivery.
It's really my pleasure to be able to make this video to celebrate Neil Forsyth's PhD. Neil's been in my group for 5 years, working on the interface chemistry and biology, specifically in protein polymer conjugates, and he's done a fantastic job. When I think of Neil, I think of 3 things. The first thing I think of is that Neil is the most adept that I've ever had, a person I've ever had in my group at expressing proteins. He really is able to optimize in a fantastic way protein expression yields, really cares about it, really interested about it, and I think that'll help him in his future career. And the second thing I think about is how he went to Genentech for his internship for the Chemistry Biology Interface Training Program, of which he was a part for 3 years. And in that program, he learned a lot about the application, the medical application, the human application of antibody-drug conjugates. And I think it really shifted the way he thought about research. And he did a fantastic job. I still hear today from the person he worked with there how much they miss him. And the third thing I think about is the fact that he was able, after coming back from Genentech, Neil thought of his own idea of how to make the DAR, which is the drug-antibody ratio, which is plaguing and difficult for protein polymer conjugates, antibody-drug conjugates, make it better by making monodisperse polyethylene glycols. And that's completely his own idea. He's carried out all that research and we're about to submit that paper. So I like that kind of creativity. So congratulations, Neil. I wish you all the best at the University of Utah in your future career. Please keep in touch with us, and congratulations on your hoodie.
Congratulations, Xio Young. The years in graduate school has certainly paid off. Your thesis work embodies the design of an array of new one-dimensional electrocatalysts for alcohol fuel cells. I applaud you for the initiative you took and the hard work you have put in to bring the next generation of fuel cells closer to reality. I believe you'll continue to excel in your future endeavors. Congratulations again, Xio Young.
Allie Glynn, you're the first student to graduate from our group. You've accomplished amazing things. You're a pioneer in the field of prion, and you're going on to accomplish even more. Good luck.
Congratulations to Mary Waddington on your PhD. You've done an amazing job managing multiple successful projects, starting new things in the group, including the recent cysteine borrelation, also the work on weakly coordinating anions, as well as your work on educational development, including our Chemistry 3 course taught to non-STEM students. So I'm extremely proud of you, and good luck to your on your new job that you're starting this summer. And I hope you come back and see us from time to time. Congratulations again, Mary.
Can you picture a research project that is really challenging, that you know that the chances of success are relatively limited, and then comes a student who actually makes it look easy? Well, that was Vince Hipwell. Studying radical pairs and looking at them as qubit pairs for quantum computing, he did just amazing, complex work and got some incredible results. So Vince, congratulations for a fantastic PhD, and my best wishes to you in your future endeavors. Good luck.
Cooper Jamison was an undergraduate at Lewis and Clark College, where he studied art and chemistry. After 2 years as an art conservator, he came to graduate school to work with me and with Professor Yi Tang. Cooper has excelled in computations on ambimodal transition states of pericyclic reactions, and also was one of the co-founders of the area of pericyclases, a field in which he studied experimentally with Yi Tang and computationally with me. He's had an astounding 20 papers, certainly a record for my group. He also was a great teacher and won the Michael Jung Award for Excellence in Teaching. He won the Saul and Sylvia Winstein Award at commencement, and he's going on to a postdoc in the Francis Arnold Group at Caltech.
Congratulations, Joseph J., on your graduation. From day one, you've been full of ideas and curiosity within the laboratory, following your infectious love of fluoropolymers. Now as you graduate, you not only have a wealth of ideas, but can efficiently develop and beautifully present those into a full story. We are proud of all you have accomplished and look forward to seeing your next adventures in polymer chemistry during your postdoc at University of Minnesota.
Few students are able to get involved in so many projects and help advance science in so many different directions. One of those students is Marcus Jelen. Marcus has done amazing work in fluidics in confined environments, molecular gears, molecular rotors, dielectric materials, and everything that he's done extremely well. Marcus, congratulations. You are an amazing scientist, and I wish you the very, very best. Good luck.
Congratulations, Anna Kataki, on your graduation. Your PhD has truly encompassed all of chemical biology, mastering a plethora of techniques over the past 5 years. Your fearlessness in the laboratory has led you to tackle challenging problems, and you have demonstrated time and time again that you can overcome any obstacle. It has been inspiring to watch you find your passion in the business side of science, and we know that you will thrive following that dream consulting at ZS Associates.
Congratulations to Sophia King on your upcoming PhD degree. It's been a true pleasure working with you in the group. You've proven yourself to be a master of a huge range of scientific techniques, and no matter how hard the problem, you've always been determined to succeed, and as a result, you always have succeeded. In addition to solving your own problems, you've solved problems for many other group members, and you've also been endlessly generous with your time, giving back to the community in science outreach. I know that you'll do great things after graduation, and congratulations again on your degree. Congratulations to Jeff Courage on your upcoming PhD degree. You've always been a thoughtful scientist, and it has been a pleasure for me to learn from you about magnetic nanocrystals and the truly independent ways that you've taken your project. You've also been an outstanding mentor to many undergraduate students, and your leadership within the TAMS community has been truly appreciated by all parties. Best of luck to you on your future endeavors, and congratulations on your degree.
Congratulations, Amy. I can't believe it's already been 5 years since we've known each other and how far we've come from the meeting we had when you visited UCLA. You will always be the first student in the group who worked on the machine learning project and I will never forget how much courage it took to venture into this new direction. I'm proud of what you've accomplished and sure that you will do well in the future, whatever you decide to work on. I'm grateful for all your help with the group and especially being in charge of the infamous elemental analyzer. I'll miss your ideas and good attitude, and I wish you the best in your life and your career.
It's a pleasure to congratulate Michael Leclerc, Dr. Leclerc, on his graduation. Michael has been in my group and I've seen him absolutely flourish in the field of sciences. And recently he's been working in terms of mechanobiology on exosomes, which are turning out to be one of the most interesting and exciting areas of nanomedicine today. So congratulations, Michael, and I wish you all the best for your future, and I know you have already a bright future in front of you. Thank you for being my student. It's been a great pleasure to have you in my group.
Congratulations, Gina Lee, on your graduation. As one of the founding members of Host Guest Team, you have instilled critical computational and physical organic chemistry insight into the laboratory that will be built upon for years to come. Your manuscript on the fundamentals of arene-perfluoroarene interactions will be a valuable resource for the community. Best of luck in process chemistry at Vertex Pharmaceuticals.
Young, Gina Lee, is from Korea, got her undergraduate degree at UC Irvine, and then came to UCLA and worked jointly with me and Ellen Sletton. She did experiments with Ellen in host gas chemistry and bioorthogonal chemistry, and with me did computations in that area and a variety of other areas as well. She'll have about 12 papers when she finishes, and she's also been an outstanding teacher and won the Hanson Dow Excellence in Teaching Award. She's going to go on to be a senior process chemist at the Vertex Pharmaceuticals upon graduation. And she's been honored at graduation with the Saul and Sylvia Winstein Dissertation Award.
Congratulations, Rupert. Just tremendous work, tremendous work. I have enjoyed every second of our time together. You have so many diverse talents and such a wonderful, warm demeanor that the entire group has benefited tremendously from having you with us. It's your accomplishments that you've made and those that are sure to come are deeply impressive. And so heartfelt congratulations. Cheers to you and all the best for your, I'm sure, which will be a tremendous future.
I think it was about 4.5 years ago when I had a great phone interview with a brilliant student from NYU Abu Dhabi. That student, of course, is Yeva P. Yeva came to UCLA to work jointly in my group and with Professor Hawks. She was a sensational student and she became a really accomplished scientist. Yeva, congratulations for all that you have accomplished and good luck.
Ava P. is from Lithuania, did her undergraduate degree at NYU Abu Dhabi, and then came to UCLA, where she's worked jointly with me and Professor Garcia-Garibay. She's worked on experiments with Professor Garibay and computations in my lab, mainly studying dynamics of processes in solid state and molecular machines. Ava is going to have about 10 papers at graduation. She was also an excellent teacher and won the Hanson Dow Award for Excellence in Teaching. And she's also won the Majetti Alipati Dissertation Award. She'll be going on to IBM Almaden as a research scientist after graduation.
It's a great pleasure for me to congratulate Fungshi Lin on receiving her PhD degree. She was an excellent student who excelled in both teaching and research. She won a departmental teaching award, and she constantly helped new members of my group. Her research was about the design and synthesis of multifunctional nanomaterials for biomedical applications. She developed core shell nanoparticles consisting of a superparamagnetic core and a mesoporous silica shell. These particles are heated by an alternating magnetic field. She used the heating to control the release of anti-cancer drugs from the porous shell. We will miss you.
All right, so I'm very happy to celebrate the graduation of Leo Liu. Leo's outstanding work, both as an undergraduate and graduate student, has led to many academic awards, including several graduate fellowships and the Excellence in Chemistry PhD Award. He's also a highly rated TA and has been a superb mentor to undergrads in the lab. The best students push you into areas that you never thought you'd go, and Leo is certainly one of those. He came to my lab dreaming of helping to solve the climate change problem by using enzymes to fix carbon into biofuels. At the time, I thought this was basically impossible, but maybe we could, tackle some useful issues around that huge goal. Well, long story short, eventually Leo's work evolved into what I now think is a viable concept for creating a carbon-negative chemical industry by converting flue gas into diverse chemicals. This concept has recently been validated now by a large $3 million grant from RPE to develop what is basically Leo's thesis work further. So Leo is really a big thinker, and I very much look forward to working with him further on this new RPE grant, developing this vision of a carbon-negative chemical industry. So congrats, Leo, and let's keep at it.
Yuding, congratulations for getting to the finish line. Yuding joined us 5 years ago from Nanjing University, which is one of the best universities in China, with already 3 publications under her belt. She started off with Professor Lin on magnetic resonance-based imaging, but decided to switch topics and join my lab. Initially, she was working on a mutant fluorescent protein for super-resolution imaging, but since the project ran into problems, she had to switch to yet another topic. This did not discourage her at all. With her typical resilience and tenacity, she was able to complete a very challenging nanoplasmonic project and develop methodology for imaging plasmonic near fields using far-field optics. This work could find many applications in metasurfaces, quantum optics, and others. Yuding, we wish you best of luck in the next stage of your career. We will miss you.
Congratulations, Margo Miller, on your graduation. You have laid the groundwork for not one, but 2 teams within the laboratory. The branch fluorist tags you developed are the go-to in the laboratory for fluorist team. You've had even more critical contributions to host guest team, synthesizing our first custom host for bioorthogonal complexation. Your synthetic skills and creativity will take you far.
Congratulations to Harrison Mills, Harry, on your PhD. You've done a tremendous job at developing new methodologies and some mechanistic insight on new brain chemistry, especially your recent work on discovering that boron clusters can behave as boron-centric radicals. And congratulations on also your upcoming postdoctoral stint in a different country, our friendly neighbor, Canada. So hope you enjoy the cold weather in the north and really continue growing as a scientist there with all the cool, amazing new things yet to come. So congratulations on your PhD and good luck with your new endeavors, Harry.
Dear Mitt, congratulations on finishing your thesis and on your excellent work on graphene-based supercapacitors and electrochemical data analysis. I also wanted to thank you for all your amazing help over the years on teaching and taking care of the lab, writing papers, doing research. And congratulations also on your new job. I wish you the best of luck at TMSC. And now it's time to move the tassel from this side to this side. Oh shoot, wait a second. I think I wore the wrong hat. I was supposed to wear this one. Congratulations again.
Selby Yeva came from Turkmenistan, got her undergraduate degree at NYU Abu Dhabi, did a master's degree at Dartmouth, and then came to UCLA to work with me and with Yang in materials science. She became an outstanding computational chemist and device fabricator. Her work in organic and inorganic photovoltaics has been outstanding, more than 14 publications, and the award of the Yu Guo Pan Dissertation Award in Organic Chemistry. Congratulations.
Lisa, I wanted to congratulate you on your finishing your thesis and your excellent work on super hard materials, and all the help you've given me over the years with teaching and research and writing papers. I also wanted to congratulate you on your dissertation award, and especially wish you good luck in your new job with Clark Street's Associate as a technical analyst. So it's now time to move the tassel from here to here. Oh wait, I think I wore the wrong hat. I'm supposed to wear this one. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Monica Pengsheng, on your graduation. You've been the synthetic chemistry rock of SWIR team and can make and characterize any dye no matter how unstable it is. Your advice, expertise, and leadership will be greatly missed in the laboratory. We're excited to see all you accomplish as a postdoc at Oregon Health Science University.
Melissa Ramirez from Pasadena went to the University of Pennsylvania as an undergraduate and then came to UCLA and worked jointly with me and Neil Garrett. Her 10 papers describe both computations and experiments at which she became adept. She's done an excellent job and won 2 awards at graduation, the Majetti Alipati Dissertation Award and the Ralph and Charlene Bauer Award. She's been very active giving presentations in many opportunities, and she'll be going on as a Caltech Presidential Postdoctoral Fellow at Caltech with Brian Stoltz in the future.
Congratulations to Dr. Melissa Ramirez. During her PhD studies, Melissa has become both a master of computational and experimental organic chemistry, as her dissertation studies have been done jointly under the advisement of myself and Professor L. More specifically, Melissa has studied strain intermediates such as cyclic amines and cyclic alkynes. She's developed new reactions in the lab with applications in materials chemistry, and she has also delved into the mechanisms of a variety of very complex transformations. Melissa is unique in so many ways. What I think is most notable is how she is able to combine her intellect with her unparalleled drive for excellence. She's an incredibly humble person, and she does not take anything for granted. Melissa, we will miss you and wish you the best of luck as you begin your postdoctoral studies at Caltech. Congratulations.
Congratulations to David Reilly, graduating with his doctoral degree. David developed new molecular dynamics simulation methods that permit capturing the chemical change of protein macromolecules, such as installation of transition metals or titration of amino acids, coupled to the conformational changes. He then used these methods to address several medicinally important systems, such as, for example, lithium action on the protein called GSK implicated in psychiatry. I'm very proud of you, David, and looking forward to your next steps.
Rosalind Rodriguez, or Rosie, congratulations for getting a PhD degree in chemistry. As the first grad student in my lab getting a PhD, it really means differently to me. It's hard to believe that it's been 4 years since we first met, setting up the lab, opening boxes like Christmas, and doing research that we're excited about. With all of this, I'm so happy for your success. Congratulations.
So it's really a pleasure to be here today to make this video for Doug Rose. Doug is a fantastic student who's been in my group for 5 years. And when I think about Doug and his PhD, 3 things come to mind. The first thing that I think about is that Doug is really a fantastic synthetic chemist. So we're a polymer group, but really Doug strives at and is really good at small molecule synthesis as well. And so when somebody can't make something or they make it in low yields, Doug can actually find out his own routes and so on to make things in high yields and in large scale. And I really appreciate that about Doug. The second thing I think about is that he's a very hard worker. And so, there's been a lot, with any PhD, there's always things that don't work. And Doug, has 10 other routes when something doesn't work. He's already thought of 10 other synthetic routes of how to get there. And then he does them because he's a really hard worker. And the third thing that I think about is that Doug is super good at instrumentation. So not only was he the NMR TA for all these years, because he really enjoys NMR, but he's also the go-to person in our group for HPLC. And so Doug really enjoys this, and he's trained a lot of people. In fact, he's the go-to person for my group. It also groups up at Santa Barbara now because he's so good at it. So Doug, at the time of this video, I know you haven't decided where you're going for your future career, but I know you have fantastic choices to choose from. So wherever you decide to go, I wish you all the luck and congratulations on such a fantastic PhD.
Congratulations, Wendell Scott. You persevered, worked hard, and really did a great amount of work in your PhD. I know you'll be very successful in the future, and I look forward to hearing about all the things that you're going to do coming up.
Dane Stanfield, congratulations on your PhD. Your thesis looking at the doping of conjugated polymers is a real tour de force. Not only did you have to have terrific hands in the lab to figure out exactly how much evaporated dopant went into conjugated polymer films, but you also had to do amazing in-depth analysis trying to extract the electric fields inside the systems that make them work. I know the Intel Corporation will be delighted to have you on board as a staff scientist, and I wish you all the best there in the future. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Dr. Pechiewa. I have enjoyed working with you. Your PhD research has helped developing an entirely new fabrication approach, which is critical for probing and pushing the limit of emerging electronic materials, and defining the technology foundation for next generation of devices. I would also like to thank you for taking care of so many equipment in our lab. We'll certainly miss you. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Dr. Wang Xue. Your thesis research on designing nanoscale catalysts for renewable energy applications has been very exciting. Your relentless efforts in trying to elucidate how the catalyst, ionomer, and support interactions affect catalytic performance is very important for the process design in order to realize the optimal performance of the catalyst in the device. I'd also like to thank you for helping with the other group members with their projects and for organizing the supply and chemical orders for the entire group. I wish you a bright future and we will miss you. Congrats again.
Congratulations, Dr. Zhong. Your research in electron transport spectroscopy addresses some of the most fundamental and non-stunning problems in electrochemical energy conversion. It offers unprecedented insights for developing a new generation of electrocatalysts to facilitate more efficient energy conversion and enable affordable fuel cells. This is a very exciting step forward.